Welcome, today we're going to show you how to open Airwallex account. So the first thing that you need to do is to search for Airwallex wallet sign up on any browser. After that you need to open the first link I'll see from here. After that from here you will see this prompt, open a business account online for international success. You need to write your email and you can actually uncheck this box if you want. After that hit on get started. So now from here you can just tell the website about your company, like the number of employees I'll see from here, and how much is the transaction volume. From here it will ask you what is your primary area of interest in Airwallex. You can choose whatever you want from here, and from here any other solutions that interest you. It is actually optional, you can choose whatever you want, and hit on continue. So now you need to enter your legal first name and the last name, and you can add a password to your account. After that, they will send you a verification link to your email. All you need to do is to open your email address and click on the verification link, and that's it. Now you have created your account successfully. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.